Hey guys, welcome to the video. Bruce T here, and I'm here with my new car. It's a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and this is what I chose to replace my BMW M3. The BMW M3 was a great car, and I'm not denying that it's a blast to drive and it does a lot of things well, but it's not going to go in the snow well. It's not comfortable, didn't have leather interior, didn't have heated and cooled seats, didn't have a sunroof, didn't have the nice GPS screen inside. So I chose this because this is a great vehicle. So I'm going to tell you guys what options it has and show you guys around it. So here we go. Alright, this is my 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. I got it in the True Blue Pearl Coat exterior paint, and that paint is just one of my favorite colors. And as you can see, I got a blue motorcycle, I got a blue van, I got a blue Mustang, and now I have a blue Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. So as you can tell, I like blue, and I didn't choose this. I actually didn't even look at it before I bought it because it was 2 hours away in Wiesbaden in Germany, and the dealership emailed me and said, hey Bruce, here's some specs on a blue Jeep Grand Cherokee that we have. Let me know if you like it, and if you do, here's the price, and Jeep's offering $5,000 off right now. So if you want to buy it, let me know, and $100 will hold it for you until you can make your decision. So it was a no-brainer for me. I went down the next day, or it might have been even that day, and I gave him my $100 deposit, and I said, you know what, the specs on this one will work for me. I like the equipment that it has, and I think I'll take it. So in true Bruce fashion, I made everything happen quick, and I picked this up on Thursday of this week. So this comes with everything that a Jeep Grand Cherokee has. You know, it's pretty standard on the options that the Cherokee has. You know, I'll go into a couple things that it has. It's the keyless enter and go system, the remote start. It's got cruise control, the power lift gate, electronic stability control, hill start assist. It's got the Uconnect 4 with the 7-inch display, and it has Apple CarPlay, Google Android, Sirius XM, which doesn't work in Germany. It's got the media hub with 2 USB ports and 1 aux port. It's got heated front and rear seats, and the front seats are also cooled as well as heated. So one of the options that I got was the Luxury Group 2, which upgrades your standard 7-inch display on the Uconnect to the 8.4 inches. It gives me a year of XM Guardian service, which I'm not going to be able to get here. It's got the 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, 506 watt amplifier. It's got active noise control system. I have automatic high beam controls, and I got automatic headlamp leveling system. It comes with the bi-xenon HID headlamps, dual panoramic sunroof, leather trimmed seats with perforated inserts, ventilated front seats, LED daytime running headlights, front LED fog lamps, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, rain sensitive windshield wipers, and another option that this car has is the blind spot and cross path detection system. So the options that I had pretty much makes this a loaded Jeep Grand Cherokee. I could have gone, you know, for the Overland or one of the bigger models, the Trailhawk, but I think this one's going to suit my needs for Germany because it has all the features that I want, and it really is a nice vehicle. So let me get the camera and I'll show you guys inside. Alright, if you look behind me, you can see that I got the dual pane sunroof instead of the single pane. Makes it a little bit nicer in here and shows that it's a special vehicle and not just the base model. I got a button up here that I can close the shade if it's too sunny, and you just close it like that. Alright, and just like that, the shade's down. I can also do this button here, and that opens it so the sunroof opens and you can have some fresh air in here. Alright, the driver's door has the standard equipment that you'd see, power windows, power mirrors, and I have a memory for 1 and 2, and that's pretty good for having 2 drivers. Over here we have our auto headlamp control system and our fuel release, and that's self-explanatory. Alright, the steering wheel in this car has your standard controls for your menu system and your cruise control. And the display cluster, I can display kilometers per hour. Okay, over here you got your standard Uconnect. You got your radio, your media for your Bluetooth and your aux, your climate controls, and over here you got your heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, your backup camera if you want to look at that. You've got your apps that the car has. And this is another control button for your heated seats. It's got nav, but I don't have maps for Germany. And those are your phone controls. And down here you got your park assist off, your auto off. If you want to turn off, you can hit that button and it won't shut off when you come to a stop. You have your eco mode, which I have off right now. There's a sport button. I haven't used that yet. And this is your traction control off. And down here is your four-wheel drive control. You've got your four-wheel drive low, hill descent, snow, sand, auto, mud, and rock. I doubt I will use most of these modes except for snow and auto. I don't plan on doing much off-roading with this. Alright, so here's a shot of the interior. And this is our back seat. Alright, over here is our cargo area. And on the right you can see it has a subwoofer and a 12-volt power supply if you want to plug something in. Alright guys, we're off. I'm going to take you guys for a little ride in my Grand Cherokee here. It's not going to be, that exciting. I'm not going to go 100 miles an hour down the Autobahn. I'm just going to take you guys for a little ride and show you guys how this one responds to the road conditions. Alright, this Cherokee comes with the V6. It's got 295 horsepower. And it's a great engine. It really takes a little bit of throttle to get this thing moving. It does have a little bit of body roll when you go around quarters, but it's not going to be a high performance SUV. This is the luxury model that gives you a nice plush ride while you're driving and just makes it a nice place to be. I didn't buy it for its performance. I bought it for its comfort, and it doesn't disappoint. It really is a comfortable vehicle, and I'm really happy with it so far. I've got 253 miles on it right now. I picked it up in Wiesbaden, so the first day I had it, I had 180 miles by the time I got home. But it was a nice highway trip on the way home, and I really do like the features that this vehicle does have. It really is a pleasure to drive, and I really do like it. Now I got my display here in kilometers. In Germany you got kilometers for the highways and roads here, and it's nice that I have this feature that I can display it right in front of me instead of miles per hour. More cars should have this feature where you can just set it to where you want it to be. It really makes it nice to be able to tell how fast you're going. One thing that Jeep does advertise that this vehicle is capable of going off-road. I don't really have the need to off-road it. It's a nice vehicle, and you don't want to put scratches in it and bang up against rocks and do all the things that typical off-road things will happen when you're really flogging a vehicle off-road. The Jeep Rubicon would have been a good choice to do that, but like I said, in Germany you can't go off-road, and the most you got here is like a dirt road or something that you can go down. So that's all I'll be using it for, and in the winter time it's obviously good to have it for the snow. Alright, one thing I noticed is a little warm today, so I'm going to put on my ventilated seats here and get the air conditioning flowing on my seat. So I'll put that on high, like this. Now the car just shut off because I came to a stop here. That's your auto start and stop feature. I don't really find it that annoying, but some people really do hate it. It doesn't bother me. It's okay to have the engine shut off and maybe save an ounce of fuel. I've heard conflicting stories that it doesn't really save you fuel and that it costs more fuel to start it and stop it again, but you know, what do I know? Alright, so now I'm starting to feel the ventilated seat that I turned on. It takes about a minute for you to start to feel it, I guess. It is cooling my bottom side and my back, so it feels good to have that ventilation down there. My Mustang has the same features, and it really is a nice edited thing that you have to be able to cool yourself off while you're driving and not have a sweaty bottom. Alright, I'm going to get on the Autobahn here and we'll go for a quick ride. Like I said, it's not really a fast vehicle. I don't plan on going 1,000,000 miles an hour like I do in my other cars. But I will show you that it does have enough pickup to get you up to speed. I drove my mother-in-law's EcoSport the other day, and it only has a 1-liter engine, and that one had trouble. You definitely don't want to do anything that compromises your safety. So it's no slouch. I got up to 120, which is the standard speed in Germany, pretty quick. This is an unlimited section of the Autobahn, but like I said, this is a Grand Cherokee. You don't really want to go unlimited. I did max it out last night to see what it had, and it goes up to about 120 miles an hour, and then it starts, you know, slowing down and cutting you out. So it's not that fast of a vehicle, but it's not meant for that. This vehicle gives such a nice ride, and I have so much more room in here. The BMW was a nice vehicle, but it really didn't have a lot of room, and I was really cramped in it. I really shouldn't have bought it in the first place, but the deal that I got was really, you know, it made it a no-brainer to get into the BMW because I had positive equity with the car I traded, and I knew I wouldn't lose much money on it. It did end up costing me about $1,000 from what I bought it, from what I sold it, to what I had into it. So I lost about $1,000 to drive it for 3 months. But to rent a BMW M3 for 3 months for $1,000, that's a good deal. So I'm not too sad about losing a little bit of money on it. It is what it is. And for $5,000 more, I got a brand new car with a 7-year warranty, and I couldn't be happier, you know. Alright guys, I'm taking my exit now. This is my 2018 Grand Cherokee. I hope you like it. Hope you haters don't say I should have kept the M3, but I still got my Mustang Roush in the garage. That'll be my car for going fast and having fun. And I plan on taking that out tomorrow for a little ride. But if you like this video, just hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. I'll be doing more on this and my other cars in the fleet. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next video. Thanks.